So I've got the steam coming off, the grape juice and the honey. I've got the pork chops searing. They're almost finished. And as soon as the grape juice and honey have, so I had my pork chops seared, my white wine sauce is ready to go. So I went ahead and I put that over the pork chops, and I'm going to let this slow cook for about 10 minutes.